Hi, hello and welcome. In this video, let's see about the installation of system of budgetary control. The contents are budget control, controller and installation of system of budgetary control. First, let's see about budget. Budget means and budget is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time and is usually compiled and re-evaluated on a periodic basis. Budgeting ensures that money is allocated to those things that support the strategic objectives of the business. A well communicated budget helps everyone to understand the priorities of the business. The next one is that budget control. Budget control means budget control is a tool for the management to allocate responsibility and authority in planning for future and to develop a basis of measurement to evaluate the efficiency of operations. A budget is a plan of the policy to be pursued during a definite period of time. And third one is that budget controller. Budget controller. Who is budget controller? One who controls the budget is called as budget controller. Like Nirmala Sitharaman, who is the finance minister of India, prepares the budget. And the fourth one is that installation of system of budgetary control. There are 5 steps in it. And they are: first one is that establishing actual position, and second one is comparing actual with budget, and third one is calculating variances, and the fourth is establishing reasons for variances, and the final one is taking action to exert control. First of all, let's see establish actual position. All organizations have some form of an accounting system which records their income and expenditure. Depending on the system, budgets will be identified by some form of budget code. Income and expenditure is then recorded against the budget code. To establish the actual position, the budget holder will need to examine and understand the financial information available. And the second one is that compare actual with budget. After completing the first step, the information gathered needs to be compared to the budgeted figures set at the beginning of the financial year. The difference between the actual income and the expenditure and the budgeted income and expenditure is called a variance. Variance analysis is discussed detail in the other resources such as our book Managing the Devolved Budget. We also have a very good online course on the Udemy platform called Managing Budgets in the Public and Non-Profit Sector, which explains variances clearly. And third one is that calculating variances. In the context of the budgetary control, the term variance refers to the difference between actual and budget income and expenditure. When actual expenditure for that period is compared with the budget, the true variance can be calculated. There are other variance calculations method that can be used in assisting the budget holder to control the budget. The next one is that establish reasons for variance. The reasons for all variances needs to be identified. This process is critical to effective budgetary control as the budget holder needs to know when the appropriate to take corrective action. Reasons for variances includes error, delays, profiling, poor budgeting, unplanned changes, etc. And the fifth one is that taking action. Budgets can only be controlled if corrective action is taken in response to the variances. Sometimes the explanation for the variance results in no action being required. Examples of type of action that can be implemented are reduce or halt expenditure in areas where expenditure is controllable, increase income. Next, make wirements, use contingency funds, delay activities, redefine objectives, and redefine eligibility criteria. And next, change the nature of the service and how it is delivered. Cease or reduce services. These are the examples of types of action. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.